Then over here, digging a hole to China, is the famous mama cat. She is still around. Welcome back to the Sawmill, friends. Gosh, what day is it? My days get run together. It's Tuesday. Got a lot going on today. We're going to grab the tractor first and put on a new, I guess you might call this an accessory item. It's an essential item, but it's kind of an accessory. So stick here with me, guys. Got a lot going on. Guys, we are ready to go. Got the tractor right here, and more importantly, a fresh cup of coffee right there. And real quick, I want to thank my buddy Steve for buying my breakfast this morning. So if you're watching, Steve, I appreciate that. He was ahead of me in the drive-through line at Hardee's. So what we're going to do this morning, guys, is put on a new brush guard here for the tractor. So guys, this is a basic brush guard right here. Most of your major tractor manufacturers nowadays put this on standard with about every model of the tractor they sell. If you go to your local dealer, I don't care if it's John Deere, whoever it is, you're going to be hard pressed to find a tractor without a brush guard on it. Now these work fine. They have a basic function, and my opinion is to keep you from running into stuff and damaging the front end of your tractor. So if the loader is up in the air, or if you don't have a loader and you run into something, you're going to hit this first and not hit the front of your tractor, because your radiator's right there on the TYN, the battery's at the bottom, headlights right here. There's a lot of stuff right here you want to protect, and this brush guard does protect that. So this is the new grill that's going on the tractor today. It's made by TYN Customs down in North Carolina. It's made with a powder coat finish. It's made with American made steel, and it also has an additional 12 inches of protection on top of all that. I think I got everything included right there. It's a pretty nice grill, guys. It's heavy duty, and it goes on with just 4 bolts, and it shouldn't take us less than 2-3 minutes to put this on. So one more thing here, guys, and we'll get this thing put on and see how it looks. I want to thank TYM Customs for sending this up here to us. And also, if you have a TYM tractor or a Rural King tractor and you're looking for something like this, or maybe some different accessories, go check his website out. There's a link down below. He's coming up with new products all the time. We're on these little Facebook groups for TYM tractors. He's always on there checking measurements on different tractors, because I think he's trying to come up with different accessories to put on these things. And hopefully in the future, if you're watching this, Gary, we need a toolbox accessory for these tractors, man. Nobody out there has a proper accessory toolbox for a tractor. And I've tried to brainstorm on it myself, but it'd be really neat if somebody could come up with a way to mount a large toolbox to a tractor.
The city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind. I'm trying to save you time in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business, 'cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck paycheck, rat race. What's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cool night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life.
Your Mahindras, your John Deeres, they're basically going to have a real basic, and I've said basic 3,000 times now. I need to think of something different here. I've said basic over and over again. Where's my thesaurus? Stand by. So this brush guard here, friends, is pretty basic. If you look, I can't even speak English here. Some kind of island language going on here out of my mouth. So this is a bus. This is a school bus right here, guys, but looks like a tractor, don't it? My goodness. I need a script. I need a script to read off of.